How to make an above-ground pool look nice. An above-ground pool is a cheaper, less time-consuming alternative to having a permanent pool installed in your backyard. However, above-ground pools do have drawbacks. They come in standard shapes, the structure is not easily customizable, and they are not as aesthetically pleasing as those made with brick and stone. This does not mean that you cannot make them look nice, however. It only means you may have to get a little more creative when doing so. Things you will need: water-based acrylic pool paint, custom deck, decorative fencing, plants and flowers, solar lights, landscaping ornaments. Paint your pool with a water-based acrylic pool paint. The instructions vary greatly with different paint manufacturers, so take care to follow the directions when painting. Build a deck around your swimming area. Install stairs leading up to your own poolside cabana. Around the bottom, add a lattice cover that allows you to get to the sides of the pool when necessary but camouflages it at all other times. Fence off the area to make your own little courtyard. This creates a separate decorative area for your landscaping plans and also gives an added measure of safety and peace of mind. Surround the pool with plants and flowers for color and texture and to provide a visual camouflage that makes your above-ground pool look like a natural part of your backyard. Add benches and tables to continue the backyard oasis theme. People can enjoy the sitting areas even if they are not in the mood to swim. Install solar lights or other garden light spheres around the perimeter of the swimming area to add more functionality for entertaining. Moonlit swimmers and evening party guests will thank you. Add other landscaping decorations, such as gnomes, statues and pavers, leading up to the stairs of your above-ground pool. Make the area look as nice as you would if you had an underground water feature installed.